So we are playing full pit hide and seek.
If you had seen our last video, we explained what game we were about to play.
Yes.
Basically, there are 2 diners. And for now, there are 3 diners.
Because there are too many people.
So now this is full P2. You might think that this is really easy, but even with 3 diners, it might feel a little.
Yeah, plus 2 of the diners are ultimate fast. 3 diners are our friends. One's name is Swayam, who is very fast. One's name is Rugved, who is ultra fast. And one name is Aryan, who is like a turtle. Yes, turtle.
Or a tortoise. Because
So we are looking for the diners now. If we can see the diners, we will escape from them. Now we started from 1D here. We have shown you our full P2 tour.
Actually, we shouldn't be looking for the diners. The diners should be looking for us.
But where's the fun? Where is the fun in that? So,
It feels a little scary.
no, it's not.
But if like become a diner now, it's like pretty boring.
We have got the glimpse of the diner. So we
I
will,
don't know if we see the diner because
if we have to run, we will close the camera. But
cut.
yeah,
Cat.
And those are 2 cats.
yeah, cat. He's memeing us. Bro. Everybody, the diners are there. They're just near us. They were just like 20 meters. So now we are hiding here. Should we cut the camera? So we are cutting. The diners are chase on us. So, hello guys. We are just here now in the garden spire. One is there. It's coming. We just ran from the diner. So now, I also showed you. Yes, let's go.
Quick.
Bye guys, I'm cutting it again. So guys, we have reached this part. We ran from there and came here. We're going in this building. Cheating kar. No cheating. Zero jana hai? So guys, yes, we actually want to cheat, but it's okay because nobody will see. Bro, this is something. This is like a base you can spy from here. We have showed you this from it. Actually, this base we have shown you in the P2 now. And this is also entrance to it. So we are planning of going to 0 and cheating or not.
Because who cares? Because you are serious.
Silent now. We are going to ultimate silence. Okay, let's go down. So we actually went to 0, but I came to 1D. We started at the clubhouse where we chose the diners, and then
We started the vlog at 1D.
yes, but we started the vlog at 1D, but we started playing in the clubhouse where the diners were chosen, and we went to 0 and cheated, and then came to 1D, and then started the vlog. So now this building, which is the building?
This is 2D.
Yeah, 2D. So we are at 2D now.
We are taking this activity.
Yes.
We are totally sure that they are not in here. And no, they are not.
So we are cutting the video now. So guys, we are here now, the same building. I don't know why we did that transition, but we are going from the 0 now. There are a lot of dogs here.
So we'll have to be really careful, but that's a price to pay for cheating.
So if you don't know, we have been playing this game for 2 years.
Yeah, it's
2 or maybe 3.
2 years. 2, 3, 4 years.
Maybe. We actually have lost track of the...
And
Yes.
Lekit was like a baby.
Hey!
Hey, yeah. But Likit is always a baby.
Hey!
Tung tung tung
Do
sahur.
you reckon that?
Sahur.
Do you reckon that we should
So guys,
come back?
Go to the slope right now.
Yes, think so.
If you would say our part 1 of our tour of our P2.
We have shown you the slope here. So now we will show you how the slope goes. Come on. But
Up there.
so this is the slope here.
So the diners might be there. I would
Yeah.
say.
Might be, they might not.
So we're gonna cut the video.
Yes.
Till we reach the top of the slope.
And then we will.
Guys, we have reached the top of the slope. That's a car. That's a bike.
So now we are spying on the diners.
Me and Nikan are gonna check.
So we are. Nikit is checking if the diners are there. So now silence, please.
Let's do that.
Yes. Bye.
Those are our fellow players.
So now we are cutting the video again. So we are in the same building we were. 3C. We are on a building. Yes. And then we spotted the diners. So now we are hiding in the stairs area because we don't have the fingerprint to 0. He lives in 4, I live in 4, Anam lives in 1 and 2. He used to live in 1, but now he shifted to 2. But nobody has the 3 fingerprint. So we are just waiting here now. So do you want to see the waiting or should we cut it? Yes. Sir, cut. So we will see if the diners are there and then we'll show you. So we are in the same area. We came from this stairs. Now the diners are gone. You can see the view here. I think you can't see it because it's very blurry. So, but
And the diners are not here.
yeah.
Can't stay put for long.
So now if you see the diners, you'll see a sudden cut without announcement, and then you guys will run. So now we are cutting it because I think
That will waste.
that's the diners. Wait, we are cutting it now. So hello guys, Anam and Likita are asking few strangers where the diners were. So now I am cutting again. So hello guys, back to the video. So we are going to search for the diners. The strangers told us that the diners went to the 4 area side. Rehan is also playing. He rarely comes, but now he's playing.
He's with the other team now, with Ayushman and others.
We split up so that it will be easier to run.
Yeah.
And if you don't know that, Rugvi
Is that okay?
and Swayam are very fast.
Yes, and Aryan is like Kachua.
Okay.
I think the diners have called a meeting time. So let's see. So we are cutting now. So guys, the diners are actually not calling us, but they are going to out us. So guys, here, look in this running, and I am running. Now I don't know where, but I am running, and look at this there. Anam! So now we are in the clubhouse. We're going to cut the video and look for Anam.
There is.
Anam!
Anam! Jaldi! Quick! Okay, I think.
So now he's coming. Till then we'll cut the video. Now we are conclusioning that they actually called us for a meeting. So here, who is dumb? Comment. Please comment who is dumb. Anam, Likit, me, Swayam or the diners. So Swayam is the diners only. So I am dumb. Let's go to the meeting times.
Dog.
Bomber, dilo croko, dilo.
They actually called for me. I got so scared when like Anam yelled.
This
Anam
guy
yelled.
got scared.
Anam yelled, bhag, run. Like, I just took off and shot off.
Bhai, 4 jump and then 2 jump.
We go to 1 to refill our bottles.
Yeah, I also want to buy. So yeah, we will go to 1A to fill up. Actually, I brought 4A. It's gets cold and water. 4A. Cold and water means good water. Meeting. So this is Uruguay here. I caught a glimpse of Uruguay here. ढूंढना है तुम लोग को.
क्यों? ढूंढना है.
So apparently everybody was finding us and we were so maha hide us that nobody could find us. So now we are cutting the video. Boom boom beam. So I'm just showing you Likit swinging here. I'm cutting the video in 3, 2, 1. So guys, we have reached 1A to drink water. We will show you the other, the next part in the second part of the full hide and seek, P2 hide and seek. And for now, I think they're deciding a new diner. So, bye guys, and see you in the next video.